Don't push it. Big train coming too. Hey. All right, go ahead, start it up. So y'all want to see some off-road? Here you go. Coming, see if I can give me a blow back. Oh man, well, he just came. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Q, you know who. Yeah, I'm back somewhere I don't need to be, guys, underneath the bridge. Nah, I'm playing. So with my guy, y'all go check him out, 08F150, guys. His truck is dope, man. He got a Lariat, young guy, he said over here. So I gotta go over here and get these. Oh, hold on, let's see. See which way he want me facing. Hey bro, which way you want me facing?
Face this direction.
Like, so you want me to go face you?
Face kind of at an angle that way.
All right.
With your front end facing that way.
All right, so I need to go back around?
Yeah, just do like a big...
Yeah. Ain't no glass and nails there, is it?
I can spot for you.
Yeah, spot for me, bro. Look, hey man, last time I came underneath the bridge, it was a bad experience, bro. He having trouble getting it up out of here, man. So we gonna keep it going. But man, I'm gonna show y'all his truck here in a second. Let me just get situated and then I'll come back and talk to y'all. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna show y'all these off-road, these 37s. Sheesh, you feel everything, bro. Well, I really don't feel everything. It ain't like I got a lot of whatchamacallit, you know. It's bumpy though. Right here? Oh, right there. Good? You said straight? My bad. Huh? My bad, I can't hear you.
I know.
Yeah, you good.
That's good for right now.
That's good for right now?
Yeah.
All right, leave the lights on or lights off?
Yeah.
All right. All right, guys, let me hop out real quick. Oh, took a lot of parts lights on for it too. Oh, this is where we at, man. What's up, bro? Hold on. Oh. You were trying to tell me to turn the wheel?
Yeah, well, this is when I do this, I'm usually saying like straighten out your wheels.
All right, got you.
Left, turn your wheels left, turn your wheels right.
Got you.
And then I use my finger when I want you to go to a certain direction.
All right, got you. Hey, hold on real quick before you get started. Shout your channel, your IG out so people can go find you, man.
Oh, my truck is 08F150 and my photography account is True Vision.
True Vision, guys.
True.Vision Photography.
Yeah, so y'all done seen the pictures, man. He done some good work. Oh, this gonna be a dope shot. I think the red with the
camera too.
Do you?
It's nice, bro.
Let me see. I'm gonna show them your truck real quick. All right, guys. So this is F-150, guys. What year is your truck? 2008 Larry. This thing is so freaking clean, bro. Y'all probably seen him before in another video. So he's the one that's been doing all the pictures y'all been seeing on my channel, bro. He's been the one responsible for him. Y'all definitely go check him out. There he is right there. Oh yeah, F-150. And then again, his photography page is True Vision Photography. So, and he really do some really good work, like real life pictures, man. So we got a train coming. See if I can get him to give me a blow back. Guys, I'm gonna be here. I don't think I've ever been this close to a train before in my life, bro. This is kind of crazy. Whole ass train right here, man. It's kind of crazy, man. So, I'm gonna tell y'all, I love my Enzo headlights, guys, but now my freaking passenger side bulb has gone out, or it's about going out. And I will show y'all, I think, make sure I'm not this way. You can see the bulb is almost out, man. It's the LEDs I bought. So I have now got to go in and I now got to go in and take this one out and redo the bows, man. And I do not like doing it. I don't really want to get any more motos, guys, to be real with y'all. Think about the Morimotos. I don't have to worry about swapping freaking bows, you know. I just won't have to worry about that if they just are all integrated. But with these freaking Anzos, but with those freaking Anzos, man, I got to take them out again, guys. And you know, it's a pain ass to be real with y'all. The train is not right here. Crazy graffiti stuff, man. Yeah, so now I gotta go swap the passenger side because the bulb is completely out, or almost out, just about, y'all can see. So it's just a pain to go in and do that. Anyway, also I'm thinking about re-gearing the truck. That's right, yep. Y'all heard me. When I first got the truck, I was like, oh, it's not that bad. The 37s on there, 24x12 37s. I'm like, it's not that bad, you know, it's pretty cool. But I could definitely feel the loss in power. And I feel like I'm not doing the truck justice. So I'm definitely thinking about re-gearing the truck, guys. And talked to him, I got F-150, big red F-150, and you know, we talked about gear size and all that. So I'm considering doing it, but it's just expensive crap. It's like heck of expensive, man. Like I think total to do the job would probably be like $3 grand, you know, like for real. So, and you gotta do the front and the rear gears, you know. I thought you just had to do the rear gears, but you gotta do both. So yeah, so I'm thinking about doing it. I don't know when it's gonna be, not anytime soon, you know, for sure. But yeah, man, so, but I am thinking about re-gearing. So anyway, we gotta finish up. This is location 1. I was gonna say, hey, on the other side, bro, it has a horn blaster sticker on there on the other side of the tank. If you wanna look at that. We going now over, he's over here by the train. Definitely don't. I don't think I'm worried about down here, guys. I mean, the tires are thick enough, but getting a flat tire will freaking suck. You know, down here, all this trash and crap, but should be pretty good. I don't think there's anything to worry about. He's spotting and looking for me. Anyway, let's see. That's where he wants to go. He said keep coming. Let me see which way. Let me get him a little distance real quick. Say.
Could you like right up against it? So maybe like the tire like right here.
Okay, so I need to back up?
Yeah, just go for it and then back up against it.
All right. I usually don't do stuff like this. So I'm a little nervous hearing all the rocks and crap, you know. All right. So yeah, I'm not used to doing stuff like this, but let me hop out. These rocks me on. Whew. Oh damn. Pitchfork thing right here. Okay. It's looking good. It's looking good. What you got? You good? It's looking good. Gotta give y'all look around. Except the damn headlight. Freaking bulb. I'll show y'all. Yeah, it's like almost out, bro. It look like it's out actually now that I'm being seen in close, but yeah, man. She looking good though. New grill, a lot of y'all like the new grill. I think like 95% of y'all said the new grill is dope. You know, y'all really feeling it. So that's a good thing, man. Glad y'all like it. You know, a little something different, but yeah, really looking good, guys. Y'all can see a few more things and she'll probably be done, man. And then what's next? Y'all ask, what's next? What's next? I don't know. We'll see, man. New build. I don't know. We'll see. Y'all got to keep watching. We're gonna get a new build for sure. All right, guys, we on to the next spots. For all y'all who say y'all want to see some off-roading, here you go. This is all the off-roading you go get from me and Red, man. I should hop the curb right here, low key, or should I go all the way down? I probably can fall off the curb, but I'm just gonna go all the way down. See what's popping. Yeah, this the most off-roading she gonna get right here, boys. That's it, boys. Nothing more, nothing less. Which way should I go? I have to stay in the rocks. Yep. I ain't gonna lie. Something about this joint, bro, makes me so nervous. I think cause I don't want no flat tire or nothing like that. Like the rocks are fine, you know. And when I get up out of here, hopefully they don't be kicking up the side of my freaking paint, guys. And I will tell y'all that having these 12 watts have they have left marks and dust. I mean, like black, like marks all in my freaking paint, guys. Like, yes, I definitely gonna have to get like a paint correction if I wanted to, you know, to get that out. But yeah, these 12 wides ain't no fun. And I see why guys now who run 14 wides, and probably even 12 wides too, consider getting their truck PPF'd or, you know, something like that to help protect it, because I definitely am experiencing it. So let me pull over here and wait for my guy. Where he at? Okay, man, his truck is so clean, bro. I swear that's one of the cleanest trucks I've seen. Like, it's just nice and clean. But all right, we on our way to our second spot now, so I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, guys, I don't think I really talked about his setup. Hey, bro, what's your setup real quick?
22 by 12 -51s and 33 by 13 and a half.
33 by 13. What's the wheels?
Archon Da Vinci.
Archon Da Vinci. I'm gonna show y'all. I don't think I really showed them the truck. Yeah. But guys, the truck is real clean. Y'all heard what he just said. 22 by 12s. And you're just on a level, right?
Yeah.
Just a level. Strut level. Okay, you're on the strut level. You see he'll do some trimming on his bumper right here. If y'all, he got the Bilsteins in the front, Bilsteins in the rear. I'm pretty sure it's a 5.0. Got the dual exhaust coming out the side, Bilsteins. Running Versa tires, man. The paint is freaking flawless on this man's truck. Like, look at that. Like, and it's like a green gold color. Super got the aftermarket taillights, got the hitch, emblem. It's just a real clean truck. Like, it got the spike lug nuts, and it's just clean, man. Sunroof, of course. I think I'm gonna show y'all the interior. You don't mind. I don't know if it's dirty. Like, look, it is clean, bro. And it's a freaking 2008. 2008, bro, and it is clean. Like, man. So he got some headlights too. So y'all definitely go check him out, man. I put his Instagram right there for y'all. And y'all want some pictures, man, out here in Dallas, Fort Worth, hit up True Vision, you know. And he's one of the guys I found. Y'all know I also work with Johnny, and I will link up with Johnny, do some more pictures too. I mean, I just shoot with everybody, try to give different looks. Everybody got different eyes, you know. So yeah, different looks, things like that. But yeah, his truck is freaking gorgeous, man. Like, I'm telling you, it's so wide in person, because only on a level. So it's not that it's like lifted. So a level with 22 by 12, guys, you can imagine how wide it looks in person. I'm telling you, the thing is freaking wide. Like, wide. But definitely go give him a follow, check him out. There's Red over there looking scrum diddles. There's my man Dumungus. Y'all shout out to my guy Dumungus. Y'all go follow him too. He was saying that I should maybe think about color matching the grill red. I know a lot of y'all said that, guys. I seen all the comments, like I should either go red or color match the emblem, do a little black with the red and the emblem. You know, I see the comments. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna have to take the grill all the way off. I'm gonna have to give me a new emblem. I paid money for the emblem. I paid money for the grill. So I would have to send the emblem off, or I don't know, we'll see. But anyway, right now I like the way the all black looks good, but that's just my opinion. But oh man, police just came. He said he was giving us crap. Oh, dude, I should have got that for my YouTube channel. I should have said, wait, let me get a thumbnail.
Hey, I can ask him if he can turn on his lights and do the back, like, get him to like point you over.
Yeah. Oh, what's he? Oh, he usually here? I should have asked him. It's all good though.
He's cool.
Hold on, real quick. Stay right there. Hold on. All right. All right, you go ahead. You good. All right, guys, we got a good shot up here on the hill, so now Katie's about to go up and try it. Let's see if the 5.0 can make it look easy, like the EcoBoost. Uh-oh. You want me to check that aside? Oh, yours, please? Uh-oh.
That's me rubbing.
Yeah, you good. Yeah, don't push it. You go push it?
No, I got 4.
Hold on, smoke over there, or that's just dirt? That's dirt?
That's dirt. Yeah.
He got 4-wheel drive. Oh shit, okay. Big train coming too. Beep, beep. Oh, he made it easy, guys. Hey. Big L tracks. So my 37, I couldn't get up there. So how you think you got? Well, actually, guys, when we was on four-wheel drive, my front end was pop like pop pop. So I ain't want to risk it. He got way higher than I did up there though. All right, go ahead, start it up. Yeah. Yeah, give me a few revs. And guys, he says it's a 5.4, the 5. The worst engine, gas mileage Ford made.
Just worst gas engines Ford has ever made.
Worst gas engine Ford has ever made, but it sounds good as hell though, man.
It's the 5.4 is the original GT500 engine.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you got GT500 engine in this thing?
But it's not tuned the same.
Not tuned the same. So.
It's not fast.
It's just loud.
Yeah.
Sounds good. It does sound good. Yeah. All right, guys, we at the last spot for the shoot. We found this beautiful backdrop right there. You can see the clouds, perfect. And then also we got another backdrop with the skyline right here. A little bit good. And then you got the train track over there. Somebody already know about it because they be doing donuts like a mug out here, so y'all can see. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't know, I might pick this with another video. I don't know, it might be its own video. I don't know. But yo, when the cop came up, he did come up. He was just like, I'm just giving y'all mess, man. He ain't really doing nothing. I'm just messing with y'all. I just want to scare y'all. But anyway, guys, all I got. Hope y'all enjoyed the pictures. Y'all don't follow me on Instagram. That's where you're gonna see all these pictures at. Follow my guy TrueVision at 08. Y'all post both those down there. So that's why y'all gonna see all these pictures at. So make sure you follow me on Instagram right now. And if you watch it, hit that subscribe button, guys. That's all I got. Thank y'all for watching. Boy Q. Great over here, good pictures. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.